Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy Cash Out Fridays. All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy Cash Out Fridays. Hope everybody doing good out there. All right, this is my Rewarding Ways account right here. All right, shout out to the online team. Shout out to everybody out there. I appreciate all the love. All right, keep hitting me up. Keep asking me questions. I'm getting a lot more comments on Instagram. Hit me up on Instagram. Ask me anything. We can go back and forth. I help you out. One-on-one training. All right, follow me on Instagram at Free Online Moneymaker. Um, it's rewarding ways right here. Quick $10 cash out. All right, quick $10 cash out. Like I said, it's up to you on an every single day basis to continue to try to find different ways to make a stream of income. All right, doesn't matter if it's 5, 10, 20, $30 a day. You start making that money. You use that money to invest in yourself so you can make some more money. All right, people, this is the name of the game. All right, so I'm gonna just convert this real quick. I'm also gonna have a this is also gonna be a quick mini tutorial, real quick. Let me just cast these just convert these points real quick. $11.03. Let me go to withdraw here. Quick $11 cash out. All right. I got about 10 to 12 more cash outs. All right, that I have coming up for the day. It's just up to you. Just put them together. Put them together little by little. Put them together. Cash out certain ones on certain days. Cash out on the weekends. When the weekends come, try to cash out everything. That's what I do on my Fridays. I just cash out almost everything unless it's one of my savings. Do withdraw here. I always do instant PayPal. Always do instant PayPal. Faster. Should be in the account within a couple of minutes. All right. So rewarding ways right here. You can go to my let me show you backstage. All right, cash balance 0. I just cashed out. Points balance 0. Total amount withdrawn. Made $353 from here. Okay, 222 referrals. All right, now this is over almost 2 years now. All right, I think almost a year and a half maybe. So like I said, I always tell you guys, like, don't worry about the referrals. All right, like, just learn how to make the money on here. Watch my different tutorials. I probably have about 10 to 15 rewarding ways tutorials. Watch those tutorials so you can learn how to make this money, so you can make $5, $10 every day on the site using this. All right. Now, go to this is gonna be a tutorial right here. Reading rewarding ways, paid surveys right here. You're gonna always go to first thing you're gonna start with is your first step is going to be tap research. All right, tap research. The reason why I say tap research should be your number one choice. Just do them because they run out quickly. Because they're very quick. They're very quick and they're very easy, so they run out quickly. So just do as much as you can because usually they always run out. So as soon as that's why I tell you to do it first, because if it run out and it runs out, they don't have no more. You'll just have to check the next day. You have to just keep checking. Sometimes it'll be 2 or 3 days they won't have any. So just keep checking, and it all depends on your demographics as well. All right. So start there, tap research, do all of those. Always go to most popular surveys because these are the ones that are people completing. All right, so if people are completing them right now, you can complete them real quick. If you're overseas, if you're worldwide, if you're not in the U.S., anywhere outside the U.S., use the worldwide offers. All right, use the worldwide offers. Go in there. All it is just offers. If you want to sign up to a magazine, you want to sign up to for a year of calendars and magazines and all types of different stuff. Right, it's offers. All it is offers. Right, so so these are all paid surveys. All right, all you're gonna do is surveys. I like one of ads too. All right, I like one of ads. That should be step 3 right there. I like one of ads. All right, those are easy. Those are simple. And then your surveys is always good. Your surveys. All right, now everything else I haven't really ever got into. See, they say new, this is new, this is new. I never got into these. So once you master what I'm telling you to go to first, because it's easy and I've done it, I've done it. Like, watch my videos, I've done it. It's easy. So do what I'm telling you first. Once you master that and you make it a couple dollars, then go into these different ones. Once you get your money made, say if you want to make $5 a day off this site, You make your $5. Then after that, you come in here and then you figure out which one is, because one of these might be better or easier and more lucrative than the ones I told you, because I didn't see them yet. But you always want to make sure you make some income first. Make sure you make something. Make $5, $10 first, then go in here. Because when you go in here, these different these different areas of these paid surveys right here, you're gonna have to experiment, because some of them might not be good. Some of them might take so long. Some of them might not be pay enough, so it might not make no sense for you. So that's why I always tell you guys, do what I'm telling you first, because it pays off. Right, your surveys is like 80-cent surveys and up, so it's very good. Offer walls, same thing. All right, all it is there's basically offers. Go to Video Lab and play as much video as you can. All right, AdSense and engage videos. Watch these two videos. Put these videos as much as you can. All right, just let these play. All right, same thing in here. All right, so same thing here. Just go in here, see how it has one of ads. It's the same thing basically. All right, but it has different offers that they might offer you, and these offers don't last long. All right, so sometimes it'll be an offer, so you just have to just take it. If you don't take it and you come in the next day, it might not be there. All right, Peanut Labs is really, really good. All right, use that for like your step 6 right here. Peanut Labs should be step 6. All right, use that. Peanut Labs is very good. All right, also have a referral program. Share your link. Tell your friends what you're doing, but don't tell them until you have some money. Start making some money into your account. Show people that you're cashing out. Then tell people, so people look at you like, oh, okay, he really knows how to do it. That's how you really share your link. That's the way you want to share your link. All right. So that's just a quick rewarding ways cash out. Quick tutorial. All right, watch my other tutorials. They're in depth. I give you other places to go, other areas of the site to go to make some more money, make some more income. So it's up to you to watch my videos. Go through my channel. Take some time. Go through my channel. Watch my videos. All right, watch my videos. I'm really here trying to help everybody. All right, this is just quick cash out. Happy Cash Out Friday. Got a couple videos coming for y'all. Stay tuned. All right. Happy Cash Out Friday. Free online money maker signing out. Peace.